guys, so I'm gonna be unboxing my new camera. Donna, come on. I got the Canon G7x. I'm excited. Oh no, I've locked it. No, I gotta take a thumb. Hey guys, I have to change locations because of Donna. This is what's in it. I got the Mark II because they said it's the same thing. Damn, what's all of this? I've been watching videos all today. So, this is it. I'm guessing this is the camera from the videos I watched. Then this, the batteries, the strap, and the charger battery strap. I guess put this way, okay? Okay. Oh. What do I do? I guess I put the battery in this way. I'm back. Okay. Cute. What is this? Cute. I'm just putting it on my neck. I got this 128. Yeah. I had to put this in. I might have put the SIM card in. Okay. Key. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna just click it down. I have this stuff in it and lock it. Wait, is it locked? Okay. Okay, it's locked, and the on button. These are the buttons on it, guys. That's I'm gonna just press on. Oh snap! Is this the time? What month are we in? The number? Huh? 4? 5? 5. Today's the 6th, 2021. This is 2020. The time? It's 5:46. So I'm gonna do the time and I'll be back, y'all. Definitely gives me work. Y'all. So I have it on. Wait. Hold up, guys. Can you guys see yourselves? Oh my gosh, it's recording. Okay. So I'm gonna add the clip of me there and on there. Hey y'all. Oh, this thing look bomb. So camera, and this is me on the phone. I'm gonna like do some stuff. Some zoom in. Wait, how do I zoom in? Dang, y'all see everything. My face is working out. But period. Okay, guys. So the quality finna be a bomb out here. My camera's about to die. So I'll see y'all when this is both. Dang, my phone too. But I'll see y'all when this is done. This week is bomb, y'all. Y'all see all my. But bye, y'all. Hold up. I'll see y'all. Let me see how to turn this off real quick. Video's gonna get bomb. Make sure you guys. I'll finish the rest on here. I'll finish the rest of the video on my phone. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yeah, make sure we lit now. We lit. Oh yeah, and I forgot it comes out, guys. So if you're doing it like this, you could do it like this. It comes out like this. Put it in. Y'all, we finna be so lit. But I'll finish out all this. I'll learn all this stuff, charge my camera, and we finna be lit. Bye, y'all. So this is it. You just plug the back to the wall, and then it just says charged full. Hey y'all, so it's the next day. So I'm gonna give you like a little rundown. I ordered my case, the case that you see a lot of YouTubers with. Sorry, it's raining, I'm in the car. I ordered the case, a screen protector for the glass, and a little bag for it, but that's coming tomorrow, so I add on to that part tomorrow. But this is me today, and I ordered this from Best Buy. It was like $15. My information on there, so I have to cover it. But I'm about to open it real quick for y'all. Leave, this is it right here. Like, oops. So this is, I guess, I don't know. This is it. I'll give you guys an update on my other videos. I can't put it down because it's going to show you where I'm at. But and then it just has this little pouch, and then this, so if you're recording on your phone, and sorry if the quality's bad to what you guys are used to now. I'm joking, but I'm recording on my phone because I'm not really trying to use my camera that much until I get this up, because that camera is expensive, and if I break it, you guys are gonna be on this phone again. But I wanted something thin. I'm gonna hurry up because I don't want it to be too long, because I have other parts to add, and I want it to make it really like easy for y'all to watch. I wanted it to be really thin because, like, if I'm doing like travel or if I'm going out or something, I don't want no big bulky thing. So I think this is a good size. Okay, y'all, so it's like 11 o'clock. I just came home, so I'm trying to open these boxes, these bags real quick, of my camera accessories. What's this here? This is a screen protector. Okay, this is the one I got. This is my case. It looks way bigger than I expected it to look. And I have one more. This is my case. It looks way different than I expected it to. Let me open this real quick. I got this in the color gray, but it's like a brownish color to me. This is it. This lifts up. Oh, I wish it had it open, but okay. This is the back with the buttons open. This open. Okay, guys, so see how I look. I just wanted to show you everything real quick. So this is the bag. It's kind of spacious inside. It comes with this inside. I recommend this. This is the camera with the case on it. This is how it looks when you open it. This thing flaps up. And then the tripod, I've used it and it's really sturdy. Can't give you a full review on it because I haven't used it that long, but for what it's worth, it's good. This is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and period. Ain't no complicated for